fundamental risk is one that is impersonal both in its origin and consequence. One individual does not normally cause the losses that flow from fundamental risk, and their effect generally falls on masses. Fundamental risks that arise out of the nature of the society we live in are largely uninsurable, and those that arise due to some physical occurrence depend for their insurability on the circumstances. In personal risk, there are four basic types of risk which a person faces. There is a vast market for insuring such risk like premature death, dying too early, dependent old age, dying too late, sickness or disability, and unemployment. Next is property risk, direct and consequential losses arising from usage of various kinds of property which may take different forms such as loss or damage to property, loss of use of property, and additional expenses occasioned by the loss of property. Liability risk arise out of human mistakes, often termed as civil wrongs committed by a person, resulting in injury and or death to another person, and or loss of or damage to property. Risk arising due to failure on part of another person to meet a specified obligation. For example, guarantee bonds and sureties. Risk arising due to dishonesty of employees and others in course of performance of their duties, causing loss of money and stocks to the owner. Use of transport vehicles opens scope for two types of risk: own damage or loss to the vehicle due to a variety of pure risk including negligence. The second risk is death or injury to third parties and loss or damage to their property.